Hello daar. Hello guys. Ja, je moet naar die website toe gaan, dan en na die trade visies gaan kyk, gaan search en gaan kyk wat sê hulle daar. En die charts en Mark het nou request dat hulle die chart bysit by die Telegram. Signals moet hulle die chart bysit met die daai groen en die rooi blokkie, die buy signal, of die sell signal. When did live start? Just now. Live just started now. Hello guys, hello everyone, hello. If we have to look at our 5-minute time frame. Bitcoin might be a buy. I see a nice pattern here on Bitcoin. Okay. So nicely respecting it. Coming down, so I think it will go up. So now you guys will see we have something beautiful over here. We have something beautiful on Bitcoin, and it looks something like this. Bam, bam. Bam. Then we have a bam, bam. And a bam, bam. Okay. Alright, and then we have from the high of the cup to the other high of the cup, and we pull it through. Let's do body to body. Let's do body to body. So if we do full body to full body, we have this retest going boom. So here's the cup, there's the handle, there's the breakout, here's the retest respecting it, and so we might see a green block on Bitcoin. Okay, that's for Bitcoin. Now say bye to Bitcoin. Euro USD. Oh. Let's see if gold will just retrace. If gold will just make a retracement to our block here. To our block here. Or our line over here. Nee. So. Remove. Okay. Let's see. Nee, dit verander nog, het vat 2 weke, London het ook daylight saving, so dan gaan dit heeltemal verander. Maar ja, dit verander so bietjie, die blok. Nee, dit is nie 11 tot 3 nie, dit is 11 tot 2, né? Okay, are we breaking this level or not? And then the real question is, are we getting this entry? Ja, nee, hier is die fair value gap hier, hy is verby hom. We're seeing some sort of rejection, but not a big one. Okay, so this one, not valid. Remove. T1 portfolio, 4 hour. Me, I'm trading, I'm looking for some signals actually. I'm looking for some signals. Let me filter, let's say, what is here by 80%? Nothing. One, fuck that. 60%. Apply. Let's see, US 100 is a signal for, there's a signal for silver intraday for today. And what is the price of silver? 79. Stop loss 75. TP 90. Expected to buy on silver. So we have silver, we have USD JPY also bullish. I don't like that. Devil, hello. Yes. Nee, wat kan nie klaar nie. Wanneer nee, ek is shop, dankie. Bye bye. Versekering se gat, man. As hy goed breek, dan koop ons nuus by die MSG method. Anyway, what's happening in our calendar? High impact, today nothing. I think the first one is only on Wednesday. Oh, Thursday we have something nice. We have on Thursday, no, on Wednesday, sorry. Is it Wednesday now? No. Guys, look how cool the economic calendar is now. So you see, you click on the high impact news event, né? Then the assets with analysis on the top is signals. Look there. Trade ideas for that news event. Trade ideas for that news event. The ones at the bottom, these are what is affected, but you'll see they don't have a trade idea for gold as yet. So I don't have one for gold as yet. But for all of these ones, there is trade ideas for that event. How cool is that? Yeah, and it's free to use, guys. It's free to use for all of you. Yeah, so for any news event there is. So what I like to do is this is calm. Wait. If we go to the economic calendar, we will select the date. Let's say Wednesday. We only want high impact. Then we have we have the Fed interest rate cuts forecasted previous. It's going to stay the same. But if we go to the Fed rate cuts on Wednesday evening at 8 p.m., also will show you the markets that it will influence. And there's already trade ideas for them, for these ones on the top. Okay. What's wrong with my PC? I'm running too many things here. Too many things. Gold rejecting of our golden zone. Will it break it and be a green box in a buy? Caden, I don't know. I don't follow GBP. I don't follow the pound at all, bro. So I honestly can't give you what you say. No, I'm not. I'm back in Kimberley. Yeah. I also took the US 100 cash trade. From the signals, this one. That one there by the signals. New subscriber. Jannie Geweer. Guys, still respecting our golden zone currently. So will we see our green block? Sure, technical analysis doesn't look like it. My trade so far, we are running $120 hairs. $120 hairs, but we are in on gold, silver, and the US 100. So, $150 hairs. Okay, so I'll be monitoring it closely. Do not give it back. I lost actually in first years of trading. $2,000 I lost actually in first year of trading. That is cool. That is a lot of money. Mark Music, so how do I make these MSG boxes? It's an indicator, bro. It's the MSG method indicator for trading view that we use. Okay. Gold rejecting of the middle line of the VWAP. But it's Monday, so it will be a long day. MSG1 didn't even give a color. Why? Because it's Monday. MSG1 didn't give a color and still, till now, hasn't even broken out of that range. Did break to the top side, sorry. Do you think silver will be a buy? Yeah, into the very, very late. Oh my God, my mic was muted. Rejecting of our golden zone beautifully. What I was saying is today, that's how much we're running in. And then so far today, we've only made $311. I didn't trade this morning. $341. And yeah, we average $1,000 a day. If I make less than $1,000 a day, I want to puke. Currently running $400, so that means we in total profit so far $700. $341 is realized profits, $430 unrealized profits. What I was saying is this US 100 trade that I'm in, I found from the signals. You guys must use it. It's very easy. It's there. It was this signal given. I took it, and it's almost at its TP level. Okay, and then I was just like explaining the filters. You can filter out what type of signals you want. If you only want gold and that, you can literally type it in there. You can also search. You can also search your market here. So if we say silver, that is com. That's how you spell silver most. So for silver, there you go. There's a trade for silver. There's no trade available for gold today yet. I don't know. No, gold. Nothing for gold yet, but anyway. And then you can change by your filter here. You can change. You can do this also. You'll see now there's a lot more. So this is, if you click this is including everything. This one has chart patterns in, AI driven and human interface, training experts. Now you will see short term. I don't know what that. Nothing for gold. And then the confidence is how sure are they about their trades. You can also put it on 80%. So this is how sure they are about their trades. These are positions. Oh, and then I like to do 60. And then you can also, if you want chart patterns only. And that'll only be a little bit later. Okay, so there will be only a bit later, chart patterns only. Currently running $500 in the profit. I might take it, we'll see. I took the buy on gold from our golden zone over here. And we might see a green block. Rejection at the top of the VWAP first. And then up. My one silver trade just hit take profit. My one silver trade just hit TP. Okay, we've secured $710 for the day, and we are currently running 212. So if this can go push to $300 hairs, I should be exit and take my $1,000 profit for this Monday. Let's see what gold wants to do. Prof, can you please tell me how to add this indicator on trading? You go to T1FX team. You go here. T1FX team. Once you buy T1FX team, you've logged in and everything. You get it here. Trading view, MSG indicator. You request access and Stefan will give you access. Yes, download now for MT5. Okay. So you guys can find. Even competitions. The competition where we give away 50,000 Rand every month. top 5 people get paid. Let's see who's in the top 5. I don't know. David, Johan Harmse, Armin, and Tony. So far, qualifying for end of this month for the prize. That is our top 5. 50,000 Rand a month we give away every single month. We pay you the cash money. MACD hele trade. Well, it hasn't broken down. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. I'm eager. Yeah, Bitcoin buying. I told you guys. Bitcoin is going to buy. Look at this. Beautiful cup and handle breakout. Retest and now moving up. Beautifully. Beautifully. Silver is going to change its block almost green. And then gold is still fucking around. Rejecting off the top of the VWAP line, like I said. Then another cool feature we bring in. Let me just refresh. Let me refresh. On T1 Traders Hub, you guys can also watch the live streams now. From T1 Traders Hub, you guys can watch it now. This was literally just updated by Stefan. You guys can watch it here. You can go to live on YouTube and you can have it here. Hey. And then here's one for the kick one as well. Bam. Okay, so this has been added. Cool. Okay. Adding as we continue. Hoe weet mens, wanneer we trade een vat, breakout, and pullback, whatever. The only reason I took this trade, it was rejecting of the golden zone we put in. And I bought when I saw this first rejection, second one, and then I bought over here. And that's what happened. Currently in the trade still, 2 runners left. I've secured most of the profit. 2 runners left, and let's see, it should be able to break it. Let's see if it wants to break it. It's not the same when it's going to break it. It can turn around just here and come back, make a double top and go to the bottom. So 50-50. Silver is a green block, which normally means gold follows it. Normally when we see silver turning green, gold will also turn green. And we already have a beautiful entry. Who is in this entry still with me? Beautiful. Beautiful 200 pips before the block turned color. Who's in this trade with me? You should secure profits and then have 2 runners or 1 runner left. How do you join the competition? Just by being affiliated under us, you automatically signed into that competition by using the partner code T1000, and you also get money back for every trade you take, as long as the trades are open longer than 2 minutes. So you're automatically into the competition. Told you guys, green follows silver. Silver made the block green, and now gold is following it to the green block. Gold and silver both in profit. I'm in at 4978. Beautiful. 4978 is a beautiful entry. I can see why. That's also where I made my money earlier today. I climbed in at the bottom here. Yes, I told you guys Bitcoin is going to be a buy. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin being a buy. I told you guys with the analysis. Easy peasy money. Today is easy money. Today is a slow day, but easy positions, easy trades today. Like I saw this on Bitcoin just with the eye. Bam. Told you guys. And now we're going up. Okay. So today is a slow day, but easy charts. Even gold, very easy, simple chart, no complications, rejecting off and going higher. I don't like this fact. I would love to see it break out a lot higher than that. And our silver continuing its way up though. We might see rejection starting. I am going to close positions. I made my target. $1,013 on a quiet day. Very easy money today. Zero losses involved. Very, 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 very easy. $1,013. So, slow day, but very easy one. Just the way we like it. Yes, I am watching BTC USD. Het kan groen wees, ja, baie naby. Yes, the blocks are green. The blocks are green, guys. I would just like a better breaks. Like better breakout. Like maybe to here, then down to here, then up. But just because it's breaking like this, I don't like it. And the golden zone move has been completed. What does the golden zone mean? It means once we take from the bottom to the upwards movement, once it starts turning and coming down, we then take out the Fibonacci retracement. We pull it in from the bottom of the move to the top of the move, and you'll find the golden zone between 0.50 and 0.618. What this means, this is the Fibonacci is to see if the market is going to do a complete reversal or just a retracement. So if it retraces to halfway, 50% of this move to 61% of this move up, and it stops and it goes back up, and it doesn't break below this normally means that that this is just a retracement and price will continue back up. If price breaks below this block, we know it's a complete market reversal and no longer a retracement, and the market will start coming down. Okay, and this is what it's doing. It's expected and went and fetched that high, and it was just a retracement. So we might see price heading more up. Okay, that is what the golden zone means. Or does. That's what the Fib shows us. Pretty simple. You can keep it as on trading up. I mean, I take my profits when I'm happy with it, because that TP is very full. Lekker, Gene. Yeah, big engulfing candle. Strong buying power. We might come back to this level over here. To the 5120. 5110, 5120 is a possibility for this week again, hopefully. The double bottom over here, price going up. Gold is currently at that neckline. So if it can break this neckline, where it's currently at, and we can see it move all the way to 5120 in this week. So yeah, struggling at this neckline over here. Very, very strong zone. Needs to break this neckline. You want to see something like this. We want to see it break the neckline. Come back to test it. Don't go back and then go up. That is what we want to see. But first it needs to break the neckline. Why can't he hear anything? I don't know. I currently took profits. I was buying. Will it be able to break the neckline? I'm not sure. We need to wait and see. But very big possibility. There is a possibility. Moet hom as die livestreams van daar af kyk, sien jy, hulle kan nie chat daarso nie. Is daar 'n manier om dit in te bring? Aye, that's why he says 5010 is the FIP level. don't know. That's up to you. You know your risk. High risk, medium risk, low risk. You guys know your risks. I am not allowed to tell you under our license, not allowed to tell you where you must enter. I can only show you what I'm doing. I can only educate you on the methods that we use, but I'm not allowed to tell you. No one is allowed to tell you where you must enter, where you must put a stop loss, and where you must put a TP. If they do, they are doing it illegally. And even if they have a license or under a license, they are still not allowed to do that. This is probably forming like kind of a bull flaggy on the 1 minute. Yeah, kind of like a bull flaggy. It's forming on the 1 minute. Stocks is opening in 40 minutes. New York stocks opening in 40 minutes. I'm lying, 50 minutes. 49 minutes. 3:30. I mean, that's probably when this thing will break it, if it's going to break it. What do you guys mean no sound? What do you mean no sound? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Yes. So why is Tyrant saying there's no sound and someone else saying there's no sound when you guys can hear me loud and clear? Sien jy? I'll be with you guys now. I just want to see something here. if you're a beginner, choose one market and master it and stick on it. Don't jump from market to market as a beginner. If you choose to do gold, start learning what moves gold. What moves gold? Okay? What moves gold? The dollar moves it. World impacts move it. Supply and demand moves it. What moves gold? If you trade Euro USD, Euro moves it, the dollar moves it. So find out what's happening with those two countries. What moves oil? Why is oil climbing again now? Why is oil climbing again now? Why? Because Iran is blocking that path. There's no oil going through where most of the world's oil moves through, in that channel in the ocean. So that means the demand stays the same and the demand will only get higher, but the supply will get a lot less, which means price will increase. Understand supply and demand. I will be right back, my guys. So if price doesn't break above this again, if it's going to come down, we should see it going back all the way to here and not just here. All right. But if it can break back up, and this was just a manipulation part, we can see it go up. New York stocks opening in 32 minutes. Taking trades on the. I see there was one on US 30. Ja, dat is zo bezig met nonsens hier met ons. Oh ja. Maar nou kom ons gaan kyk. Kom ons gaan kyk op Traders Hub. Wat is daai trade wat hulle gee op US30? Hier is hy. Ja, hier is hy. So die entry wat hulle vir ons gee is 46445. Stop loss 46045. En TP redelik hoog, so. Ons gaan kyk bietjie. Price is currently, yes, maar is klaar hoog. Price is al 469. One click trading. Wel, kom ons gaan sit 'n entrykie in daar. Ek gaan daai stop loss levels gebruik. 46277, so ek gaan 46 gebruik, die middel 1. En dan TP 47204 is your TP1. 47,600 is TP2. Ek gaan vir TP2 gaan. Ons kyk. Stop loss 2 gebruik. Wat resistance, support 2 is. En dan TP het ek TP2 gebruik. Okay. Is nie die water wat hier is nie. And oil, this oil trade, I didn't watch it, but I said it was going to sell. This oil trade was a signal given. Look here, Brent oil, bearish. It was also a signal given. It was given a signal here. Man, we missed out on oil a bit there. Could have made some profitas there. It is what it is. It's okay. Waar kry ons daai insight op jou website? Dit is T1 Traders Hub. It's T1TradersHub.com. You have economic calendar and you have the analysis. There's the dashboard. Once you've logged in, you go to T1 Traders Hub. You guys from the home page, you can go back to home. Can also view the stream from here. Kik has the chat in already here. The chat is here for Kik. You can watch it straight from the T1 Traders Hub. And look how quick it is. You can also watch the YouTube channel from the Traders Hub. Stefan is just busy working on the chat for that one. But you find everything on t1tradershub.com. The signals, they are fucking potent. And all those trade ideas are FCA regulated in the UK and FSCA regulated in South Africa. All of them. All those trade ideas. Silver climbing, gold climbing. Euro USD should also climb a bit more. Upsy, gold is bearish, dit was laas week. Dit was laas week so goed wat jy daar sien, my maat. Jy sal sien, hy is nie helder nie. Ai tochie, ai. Kom ons gaan na gold toe. Gold, sien jy, hy is expired, guys, expired en hy is nie gehighlight nie. As die ding reg is, sal hy so gehighlight wees en nie sê expired nie. Okay. So hierdie is allemaal wat reg is op myne, maar ek gebruik die 60% confidence filter. Okay, as jy gaan sê 20% wat bietjie high risk is, dan sal jy sien daar is baie meer. Okay. You will see, ek sien nie so, intraday. Waar is die prys? Dit is op die 20% ene, maar hy het nog nie getrigger nie. So hy trigger nou, so hulle verwag 'n sell tussen daai bedrag en daai bedrag. Okay. So sorry, my bad, op die 20% een is daar een vir goud, maar hy is nog nie reg nie. Wanneer was hy gegee? So, hy is nou in hulle selzone in 5104, 5162. Okay. So dit is 'n langtermyn sel. Of nie langtermyn nie, maar. How do we know when to enter? I'm changing it a bit up where we'll sending the chart. And you wanna enter in the values, right? You wanna enter in the values. So let's say we're gonna go to US 30 they gave now. So they gave US 30 as bullish. So you wanna, this is your entry zone. So you're not gonna enter if price is here. Current price for US 30 is 46910. And this, you see the entry was given here. So 46910 is here already, halfway to the TP. So then it's a bit high to enter. But it's updating because it gave the signal here already this morning, right? 1353, okay. So they gave it, but yeah, that's where your stop loss is. So you can figure out how much you want to risk. There's a stop loss, there's a TP. So that you can figure out there, like how much you want to risk. And if it's in your risk appetite, you can take it. Okay. I did post this picture on the Telegram group for you guys. Stocks opening in 15 minutes. We should see a push now. Let's see. How long is valid for what? It says there, it should say there. Oh, the MSG3 box is valid till the next day. Until the next day. Fib settings is standard, my guys. It's standard. Here's the fib. There's it. Standard settings. There's the golden zone, 0.50 and 618. I don't care about the rest. I only care for these two. So even if I want to, I can remove these others. I only care about those two. This one sometimes comes into play, the 38% retracement, but I focus on between 0.50 and 0.618. That is the fib settings. It's the standard ones. Don't fucking change it and be clever and make it 0.65 and 0.59 or do your own thing to look cool. You're not gonna look cool. You're gonna look stupid, and you're gonna change something that is fucking perfect. This is the best tool in the market. There is no better tool in the market, and it's perfect. This is the most perfect tool in Forex. Do not change the values. Do not fuck around. You guys know that saying, fuck around and find out. So don't. Standard settings, it's perfect. Rejection in the neckline. We've reached the neckline finally. And instant rejection on the neckline. Very, very difficult zone to break, especially now. We'll see what stocks does when it opens. New York stocks in 11 minutes, 10 minutes. Right, I will be right back. Sorry, my camera's not working today. I'm busy changing my whole setup, so sorry for that. But I will be right back. Only trades I have in is the US 100 trade. We have made our profit for the target for the day, $1,048. And I'm currently only running this US 30 trade in profit that the Traders Hub gave, the analysis. And I don't really want to enter again. Like, I don't want to enter gold again. I don't want to. I'm not going to. It's a slow day. It was a very slow day, but a very easy day. We had a very, very easy market structure day, respecting everything. Even we could get in early with the golden zone being over here. Got in nice and early. Straight, simple market structure day. Even I called here Bitcoin will be climbing, and Bitcoin has been climbing. Bitcoin also nice market structure, cup and handle, the handle breakout of the neckline, and we're going up. This was a retest done, easy structure. Silver should be climbing. Gold should be climbing. Look at silver going. This is fucking big profits if you're still in silver. If you are still in silver, you are smiling right now. I'm going to tell you, this is massive money. This. Well, falling like we said, and will continue to fall. We will definitely go visit this level. Your USD will be climbing as well. Gold will probably go and break the zone. I don't want to enter it. I'm very sure of the trades. It's doing exactly what I'm thinking it's going to do. Rejecting of the top of the VWAP over here. Turning around before the middle VWAP. Going up. So, pretty confident in the market moves. But I'm not going to enter again. Because it's Monday. And we've already reached our target. I can easily make another $500 here, but I don't want to. I'm very happy. Stocks opening in 5 minutes. What do you want me to explain, bro? What do you want me to explain? What do you want me to explain? Entry, stop loss, TP. So if you see this a bit late, go look where price is. If it's in this range, you can enter it. If it's here where it is now, obviously you don't want to enter here really. If you want to, just know where's your stop loss going to be. How much are you risking? VWAP is default, guys. Everything of mine is default. I don't know where that stigma came in about 2 years ago, where you were fucking cool if you had your own values on existing indicators. Everything I use is default. Don't change it. Trust me. What would you guys like me to show you about the insights, guys? I am here. What must I show you guys about the insights? Gold rejecting of the neckline. However, silver is continuing its move up. So let's see. Maybe stocks will push it up. Oil climbing back up a bit. Stopping over here. Bitcoin is also still climbing. Euro USD climbing. And then gold is hovering here. Maybe it will reject off the VWAP extension, yeah. Stocks opening soon. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Let's wait for that. Let's see. If I have to look at gold we are seeing a divergence on gold currently, which is indicating that gold wants to drop. So this is all the divergence, and this could be very well a bull trap now. This could very well be a bull trap, because we have divergence on the MACD showing that price actually wants to come down. So if you guys still in buys, be very careful. It's showing a divergence. We are seeing MACD making lower highs, the market's making higher highs when this was a lower high on the MACD. So let's be careful. Stocks opening, 20 seconds. However, silver is still climbing, so yeah. This is 50-50, kind of a bull trap. Let's see. Rejecting off the top of the VWAP extension there. Stocks are opening. Immediate reaction in the market. Not big. It's going up. We're seeing some volatility coming in now. The US 30 trade that was given is going up as well. The US 30 trade that was given is going up. Now dropping back. Silver coming down. Oil dropping. Nice. There the stocks are pushing it up. Let's see if it can break that yellow line fast and break that previous high and cancel that bull trap. Ek gaan net so los op die 4 hour die goed. Our US 30 trade is running in profits. But it's also playing around there. It's not making a real move. What is our silver doing? Silver climbing. Yeah, the ones that you are... Rexer ZA is in silver on 78. He is smiling, trust me. $3 move on silver is massive. It's big. He is smiling. Yeah, guys. Still showing like a bull trap. Not breaking above to get the buyers out. Yeah. Those try to buy, they're not going to get out. It's a bull trap. MACD. Let me explain it to you guys by showing you the MACD. Can you guys see the MACD over here? Can you guys see? Look here. You see this high? Look here. It started here already. You guys see this high? It's here. Now, there's a higher high than this one, makes a higher high, but it's lower than this high on the MACD. Can you guys see? Now, look at this high. It's higher than this high. You see, it's higher than this one. But look, it's lower on the MACD than this high. So we got a divergence happening and very clear indication of a bull trap. It can be cancelled out. This is maybe to get rid of buyers, so buyers cannot get out because silver is flying high. Stocks are coming in. So maybe this is just to show or to get rid of buyers without physically taking them out. So a lot of buyers will be taking their losses, hitting stop loss, taking losses if they bought above there. And this is just a way of showing to them, hey, we want to come down. But meanwhile, price is going to go up because we see that silver is showing this to us. Silver is climbing. And I said earlier, gold will follow. So that's it. There you go. No more bull trap. The signs of the bull trap to get buyers out. I can guarantee you a lot of people exited there or hit the stop loss over here. And yeah. But silver is showing us the true direction up. The idea history it keeps for, I don't know. Is the idea history there? Because it's a feature they had to add. Oh yeah, not showing us things. But silver leading the way, still moving up, and gold following. Just like I said earlier, gold follows what that little baby ass of him is doing. Silver, the baby brother, leading the big brother to victory. Yeah. I saw on the bit higher time frame. So if silver goes up, gold also goes up. Yes, they are commodities. They are both spot metals. They follow each other. Sometimes gold leads the way, and then silver follows. But other times silver, like now, is showing us the way and making the clear path to the moon for gold. It's at the peak of this resistance now, so very careful. But currently stocks pushing the market up, pushing the gold market up. And what this means directly means the dollar is weakening. This directly means because of the stocks opening and what has happened, the results as an influence, the dollar is weakening. As you guys can see, I'll soon show you the USD ZAR chart. Look, the dollar is weakening as the rand is now somewhat getting stronger against the dollar. Look how it's falling. So stocks have been open 7 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It started here and it's falling. So the dollar is weakening. That's why gold, silver climbing. That's exactly what's happening right now. Bitcoin, like I also told you guys, it's going to be a buy. Look how Bitcoin is flying. But this buy we saw, this is a beautiful buy. It's so easy buy today. Silver doing well. Rejection on silver. So we'll start seeing the rejection on gold here. It's at this level as well, so be careful. Oil trying to make its way back Looks like it wants to climb back up. Went to the neckline over here of this triple bottom that was formed on Friday. Went to the neckline and it stopped and it's climbing back. So we might actually see gold and silver coming down a bit. So be careful. Yeah, but even if they are easing off in the Middle East war, that path is still closed. That channel for the oil, where most of the world's oil is moving through. So I think the main focus with this war is focusing on oil. It's focusing on oil. So even if it eases off for me in the Middle East, and it's not gonna really matter until Iran opens up that channel, because that is the main thing this war is affecting. It's not affecting gold, because since the war started, gold has been dropping, right? Gold has been dropping, and the main reason is the dollar is getting stronger. The dollar is getting stronger since the war started. We will see at the war started 26 February, right? 27 February, Saturday, the last Saturday of February, and let's see what gold has been doing since then. So 27 of February, here's the first of March. Look here. No, I'm lying, man. What is this? Yeah. So the war started on the Saturday, right? So, yeah. Look where price was Monday. So the war started on Saturday. Friday, it was the 27th. The war started, on the Saturday, right? The 28th. And so price opened Monday very high. And since the war started, gold has dropped almost 10%, 9%. So $400 down on gold. So this war is not a commodity really. Well, it is commodity based because oil is a commodity, but a spot metal based. Because normally what should happen if there is a war going on in the world? Gold should be going up, right? Because it's automatically it's the safe haven asset that everyone invests in. So normally with a war, gold will go up. But what's been happening is that this war is meant for oil. Like it's influencing the oil and not the spot metals. Because whenever there's a war with the Middle East, the same happened when they, if you go look back at the data, go look back at the oil prices, the data when they targeted Iraq. So once this Middle East war, it's about oil. It's not about the gold and stuff. So the gold prices has been falling because the dollar has been strengthening as the oil prices rises. You see, so the demand is still high for oil, but the supply is getting less, which is pushing prices up, $94 a barrel now. So that means that whenever there's Middle East war, we know that is for oil. That influences oil. And gold will do the opposite. I don't think it's about what Trump says anymore either. I don't think it's about what Trump says. You guys just need to know what the fuck Iran is doing. I don't care. I don't think America's the say in America can influence the price of gold anymore. You guys need to watch what Iran is saying. That's what's going to matter here. What does Iran say? By the way, that US 30 trade that was given on Telegram is running beautifully. The US 30 buy on Telegram that was given from the market analysis, the T1 analysis on Traders Hub, is running beautifully. There we go. Lekker. It's very possible the price can come down. We can also see, we can also go, let's go have a bit more at technical analysis. What is currently happening? Let me switch this off. So we can go and have a look what is currently happening. But this is also why that trade was given out. So is it this then up? Or can we pull it? I don't think we pull it from that low though. I think we have to pull it from here. I think this would be the correct one. I think this is correct. I don't think we include this low. Right? So this is the correct channel, and as you guys can see, it's broken that channel to the downside now. So it can go down a bit, but it can do many things. Now normally when it breaks a channel like this, I actually like it because that means we'll be continuing down for sure to there. Right? But if somewhere along this I make sure to let the world know that channel is going to be closed, it's going to break back in. And let's look at the golden zone. Yeah, currently in the golden zone. So, and what this means is that if it does the retest, it breaks and does a retest to the line, it'll do the retest to the neckline of this double top happening as well, retest to the golden zone, retest to the bottom of this trend channel, and then coming back down. So yeah, can be, but I won't take anything America says serious when it comes to oil. And yeah, it might actually, if Iran tells the world that, make sure the world knows that channel's staying closed and they fighting, this thing will fucking, gold will go higher than this. Gold will probably move somewhere here. 189. Anyway, so that is currently technical analysis on oil. Listen to me saying gold. And also gold, I think we're going to see a push up to break this level. But we need to be careful. Even silver stopped climbing and is now starting rejecting of this high, the same as gold rejecting of the previous high. Can you guys see? Silver rejecting of this previous high, gold rejecting of this previous high. Bitcoin still climbing. Euro USD still climbing. Let's see, USD ZAR still falling. The dollar is weakening. Look at the US 30 trade going, guys. That was given on Telegram through the T1 analysis on TraderHub. Who took the US 30 buy? Wow. I didn't even do analysis. I literally just took the trade. I didn't do analysis because I hate doing analysis on US 30. I fucking hate it. Look at it go. From the entry, this is when the signal was given on the T1 Traders Up Telegram channel. Look at it go. I really want to make a video of this. I haven't made a video of this technology.
There's something you don't know about.
Fuck off. Guys, look at this setup. This is the latest setup that was given on the T1 analysis on Traders Up, and it shoots it through to Telegram when the trade idea is ready. And this one was for US 30. It was given this afternoon. Look here. So there's our Telegram. It was given there. Bullish for US 30. We put the chart on there, and currently look at the position. There's the entry when it gave it on Telegram, going nicely up, running $85 in the profit so far. All right, and here is the analysis as well on Traders Up for US 30.
guys, look at this. Listen, folks, when you're on social media, you get a lot of free advice. There's always some uncle somewhere in Brits or auntie in Constantia, philosophical quotes. I always get the one, old money, new money. Huh? Old money whispers, new money shouts. Listen, auntie, I'm not here to whisper, okay? I'm here to make it rain on me and my family. So much so that the Western Cape drought becomes a thing of the past. A lot of these old...
No, it doesn't mean it first have to come down to that level. That is the entry level. And I think there was something else given earlier which was a bit lower, but that just gives you the entry. If it gets to that level, you're going to smile. But I doubt it. Let's see. Nice, Raptor. Raptor. Wie, wat wil jy nie 'n guns doen nie, né? Ek sukkel om jou. Stuur my 'n boodskap, ek wil jou, ek het dalk 'n idee wat jy kan doen daar vir my. Well, guys, I took profits there. I'm out. Let's look at the history. We've made $1,083 hairs. $1,083 hairs for the day. You guys know what that means. So if you want access to more than 6,000 assets, giving you trade ideas, more than 50 trade ideas a day, and we cover more than 100 countries. Our technology is FCA regulated and FSCA regulated. You can go to the link in my bio here on TikTok. It's Traders Hub. It's absolutely free for you guys. And we are done with our trading day for Monday, the 16th of March with the MSG method. And we've made a total of... That is our total profits for the day. We are done trading. We are done trading with the guys live. Now you guys know the drill. Let's select a number, which they must. Let's see. So here is the number. That is the number. So we're going to ask them how much did they make today. And the one closest to that number, they win 10% of what I make every day. Today we made 1,113. So the winner gets $110 hairs. All right, let's see. Guys, go for it. How much profit did you make? Go for it, guys. How much profit did you make today? Let's go, guys. YouTube. Yeah, it's starting to come in. Yes, some of you made big money. Holy shit. Yo, for a slow day, they did very, very well. Guys, how much did you make today? Oh, we have one very, very, very close. We have one very, very, very close. Ooh, two very, very close. No one has got the exact number. Well done, Elaine. I'm proud of you for that one. Rexer ZA 250 and can guarantee you it was with silver. He moved silver today with the MSG. I saw him in chat. Marie Smith doing a $15 profit. Well done, guys. Okay. We're going to wait a bit more and select the winner. No one has gotten it right, as you guys saw, but two are very, very, very close. All right. Link in my bio for all of that trade ideas for any market you can think of. If you want exit. All right, guys, we do have a winner. His name is Liam Marinus -N9I. He is the winner. Oh, the amount was, oh, my camera's off, you guys can't see it, but the video is on TikTok. If you guys want to verify, I'm posting it on TikTok right now. The number is 23. 23 is the number. I thought today was a slow day, and you guys are not going to make as much, but some of you guys moved it, I see. The winner is Liam Marinus N91, or N9I. Well done, Rexer, well done. With silver, my bro. Liam, well done. Congratulations, buddy. You're the winner of 110 pophare doll hairs. Silver starting to fall and gold following. Gold has just been following what our little brother has been doing. Silver. Liam, send me a DM on TikTok, please. Liam, send me a DM on TikTok so that I can give you my number. Or contact support and just say you are the winner. And they'll connect you with me so that I can pay you your winnings. Guys, on this note, have you guys noticed by only trading certain times, since we've done this giveaway thing, we've not ended one day in the minus. Our minimum day was $1,000. Some days was 40,000 Rand, 20,000 Rand, whatever. But look how we have made money every day. Every day of last week we made money, and this week starting off beautifully, reaching my target of $1,000 for the day. Can you guys see? That's just by trading the MSG method. Okay, there was the new technology as well included. Made us some money. Still. Silver busy climbing back up, which means gold will follow. Let's see if gold will follow. It's also stuck on the 55 moving average on the 1 minute time frame. Yes, I saw that 4-hour favor league. So guys, the number was 23. You guys can confirm it on TikTok. I did post a video there. Sorry, my camera's not working because I'm busy with my setup. So apologies for the camera not working today. But it will be working tomorrow morning at 2 a.m. if you want access to more than 6,000 assets, giving you trade ideas, more than 50 trade ideas a day. Wow. All right, my guys, let me go. Let me get off. I'm actually have to hop into one small meeting, and then I'm actually gonna get into bed earlier today. I want to wake up at midnight when the market opens, because I want to start streaming from midnight straight through the morning. Okay. So love you guys. See you guys. Hope you all did a little something, made a little bit of money, and have a blessed day until we see again tonight or tomorrow morning.